Hello everyone, today we're going to learn Brilliant. And in today's topics, we have Introduction to Functions. And main lesson here is finding the rules. So let's find the rules of a function.
Welcome to Introduction to Functions. Let's start by figuring out some rules. Which rule could produce these outputs from these inputs?
So this is something that they get through. And it's like a machine, like you put card in a machine and it just makes sure. So this is, if you see the mouse, this is a thing, it's like a machine. So what is a machine? And add 2, double, triple, or half. So I'll start with add 2. So 2 add 2 equals 4, that's correct. 6 add 2 equals 12, that's not. So let's go to the second one. Double, 2 times 2 equals 4. 6 times 2 equals 12, yeah. 11 times 2 equals 22, yeah. And 14 times 2 equals 18. So double is the correct answer.
Good. Okay, how about this set of inputs and outputs?
Okay, this is like true and false, right? Input and output. So I see 2, 6, 14 is true, and 11 is false. So it's like, it's even is true, and if it's not even, it's false. When the tricky
Now,
we ask.
try another one.
Wait, what? Why Monday to Wednesday and Wednesday to Friday and Friday to Sunday? Huh. Let me ask him. So how does this work, by the way? How do this work?
Let's look at this together. Compare the first pair. What's the relationship between Monday and Wednesday?
So they asked us the relationship. So today is Thursday, so now just going to say this Wednesday, but it's not. So what Monday to Wednesday? So is that like 2 days more? It's 2 days. Let's go to the next one. Next.
How many days after Monday is Wednesday? Count them out.
So I count it as 2. So if I say correct.
Yes, 2 days. Now check the next pair. How many days from Wednesday to Friday?
Also 2.
Right again. Now the last pair. How many days from Friday to Sunday?
Also 2. Okay, so the answer is 2 days later.
All 3 pairs are 2 days apart. So which rule? Perfect.
This do not make sense. 3 of these do not make sense. Let's continue.
Here's what's happening. A function is a rule that maps each input to a single output. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Oh yeah, now the picture is back. Yeah. Continue.
Now that we have the word for it, which function could produce these outputs from these inputs?
Huh. Very looking suspicious. A and apple is A. Banana and blueberry is B. Grapefruit is C. So what is the function? So it looks like it is the first letter to me. So I'm gonna click it.
You got it.
Oh, my mouse is clicking like crazy.
All right, how about this one?
Where's my screen? Oh, by the way, give me my screen. There we go. So, apple and banana equals 0. Apple and grapefruit equal 1. And blueberry equal 2. So what is this? This might be So these can't, because number A I think is wrong, because banana have 3A and say and put output is 0. Is that E. Well, I think it's an E. Let me ask it for safety. So is the letter in? Can you do this? Oh no. Okay. So is the letter in the word, right?
You're on the right track. Pick one word, like apricot, and check. Which letter count gives its output of 0?
So I think it's E because apple and banana have E, apple have one E, and grapefruit and blueberry have E. So it is the letter in the word. So I think it's E.
Nice.
Next.
Okay. Final problem.
So true and false. Apple and grapefruit equal true. Banana and apple and blueberry equal false. So what is the function? So start with a vowel. I think it's wrong because the grapefruit is true, but it's start with a consonant. And next one is start with a consonant, but the true one, apricot, is a vowel. So let's continue. Contain an I. Does have I, but grapefruit don't have I. Contain an N. Wait. Oh yeah, it both have I. Oh wait. So I think it's also I. My buttons are clicking very fast. And it's bugging. Boom.
Let's finish
Skill
with a
check.
quick skill check.
Okay. We can't answer anymore. It's fine. 3 turn to 1. 5 turn to 3. 8 turn to 6. And 11 turn to 12. So this does not look like a division or multiplications. So I'm gonna get double, triple out. So it's must be add to or subtract. I see the number on output is more than the number on input. So I think subtract more than add. So 3 subtract by 2 equal 1. 5 subtract by 2 equal 3. 8 is that 2 equals 6. 11 subtract by 2 equals 9. That's correct. Next. So here, Monday to Sunday, Wednesday to Tuesday, Friday to Thursday. So what's this? So I know the answer is one day earlier, but if you know, in some kind of country, you might not know that Sunday is the first day. So this is a Monday is the second day and Sunday is the first day in some country. So here's one day earlier. Early. Next, apple into P. Apricots equal R. Banana equal N. Blueberry equal U. And grapefruit equal A. So, what is the letters? So, apples. It might be letter 2 or 3. But apricot is letter 3. So I know sing is letter 3. Banana is also letter 3. Blueberry is also letter 3. Okay, so I think it's third letter. Numbers and words are not different. So this is also finished. With 150 total XP, we did wrong, but let's end this lesson. I hope you enjoy. Bye. See you next time.